Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company. We're very excited to show you one of our latest prizes. This is a 1987 Porsche 911 Targa Sport 3.2 litre Carrera. It's in a lovely colour scheme, which is blue diamond metallic. As you can see, it's in fantastic condition. Looks to be an older restoration. Got this lovely, iconic rubber whale tail. Got the Fuchs wheels. It's a fantastic specification with the G50 5-speed gearbox, which makes it really nice to drive, power steering, electric windows, all the mod cons. And it also has this lovely blue marine interior. You can see in here, this lovely leather blue marine interior. You've even got a mobile phone in there as well, so you can ring all your friends and your family and tell them you're going to pick them up in your new Porsche. And this one is on our website for just £4.95 a ticket. And if you want to enter, it's the Classic Competition Company. But for now, we'll have a little listen and show you how to start it. We've got our key here, so you can see, and there is an immobilizer, which needs to go in this little hole here. So for the lucky winner, this is what they'll need to do. And that deactivates the immobilizer. Turn your key, turn your throttle, and there we are. It sounds great as well. So you fancy a ticket, £4.95, and good luck if you enter.